Vanessa Bryant has stalled her remaining claims against Los Angeles County over the misuse of photos from the helicopter crash that killed her husband, Cobb Bryant, and daughter Gianna Bryant for nearly $13 million. A jury awarded Vanessa Bryant $50 million for her federal claims in August, but the settlement recorded Tuesday included that figure and added state claim of invasion of privacy. Vanessa also added her two youngest daughters, Capri and Bianca, to the deal in order to finalize the settlement. Today marks the successful culmination of Mrs. Brandt's courageous battle to hold accountable those who engage in this grotesque conduct, said Louise Lee Bryant's attorney. She fought for her husband, her daughter, and all those in the community whose deceased family were treated with similar disrespect. Who hope her victory at trial and this settlement will put an end to this practice.